Before we get started, we would like to add a quick disclaimer to our project. We came up with our product before COVID-19 was a global pandemic. We did not mean to make fun of such a tragedy and apologize for any harm done. Additionally, we would like to thank all of the frontline essential workers for making sacrifices on our behalf. We are eternally grateful. Hello class, we are JIK Medicine's marketing team. Our team members are Junpei, Yuki, Brenna, Melina, and Marina. Today we are going to walk you through the marketing plan of our product, Modelo 19, into our target market of China. To recap, for those of you who have forgotten about our product, Modelo 19 is an antiviral cure for COVID. Modelo 19 is an antiviral that wipes out the coronavirus in as few as 3 days. Specially formulated to take on COVID-19, Modelo 19 is an antiviral injection given via intravenous fluid. After just 4 doses spread over 2 days, most patients show 85% improvement. The injection works by attacking the coronavirus cells inside your body and neutralizing them with our patented antiviral technology. The antiviral begins working as soon as it hits the bloodstream. Symptoms start to clear up in as 42 hours, with cough, fever, shortness of breath dramatically reduced by 48 hours. All 4 doses must be administered within 72 hours for the coronavirus to be cleared from one system. Failure to take all 4 doses or to take them in the required window could result in virus reoccurrence. This is our marketing mix for Modelo 19. Our product, as previously mentioned, is an antiviral injection that is delivered as 4 doses over 2 days. Our place is China. The reason why we chose China is because that is the ground zero breaking point for COVID-19, and we believe that is the best place to start our new product. Our price for Modelo 19 will be competitively priced in the renminbi, the Chinese currency. Research will need to be done on how to manage prices with a peg currency in the renminbi like it is in China currently. As for promotion, China has a centralized healthcare system, so we would market directly to the Chinese government and advertise via channels like WeChat, Weibo, and QQ.
So this is the STP framework for our product, Modelo 19. When we segment our customers, they are most likely people in China, age 60 and older. For targeting, we are going to sell it directly to the Chinese government, and Modelo 19 is designed to cure people with a moderate symptom. So our target customers would be those with moderate symptoms. Lastly, for positioning, our brand positioning will be the first ever cure for coronavirus.
The biggest strength of our marketing campaign is that we have a product no one else has. The current options for COVID-19 treatment are fluids and rest, and some speculative ideas that hydroxychloroquine might help lower symptoms. In the pharmaceutical industry, first mover advantage is everything. Once there is a cure for an illness, research basically stops. Who needs to create a new cure when one already exists? Because we are the first product to hit the market, we have complete control over price and therefore control over profits as well. We will be patenting our special formula in not only China, but also in the US, Italy, and other countries hit hard by COVID-19. While we do have complete control over price, we will be working with the Chinese government in order to pick a price that is fair to the people, but still covers our costs and benefits our return on investment so that we can develop future pandemic-saving drugs.
In terms of creative execution, we will advertise on all social media platforms. That way people don't have to go out of their way to find our product. The variation of social media platforms include Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat. People live busy lives, and if the product is right in front of them while they are doing every task, they will be more likely to click on a product link. Also, we should offer instant customer service support through social media. If people conveniently be able to contact us to answer any question or resolve any issue. By offering 27 supports, consumers will be more willing to invest in our products. This will give us a competitive stance amongst instead competing pharmaceutical companies. Given the demand for a cure to COVID-19 is high, currently we won't have to focus too much on appeal. However, it is vital to be the first to get our product advertisement to consumer reach. The buyers also have to trust that our product works in order to formulate buyer testimonies and reviews on our various social media advertisement platforms. By utilizing multiple social media platforms, it allows us to prioritize a target age range for our audience. For example, the advertisements on social media can be tailored to a younger audience, while TV and newspaper can be targeted towards an older audience. In addition, our cure is organic, so it doesn't contain ingredients that can have a negative impact on our environment. It helps to promote a healthier planet, and it is healthy for each individual because we use natural ingredients. This should have a positive impact in our customers. Our model 19 is healing, preventing, benefiting, realizing, and resulting.
Next, we are going to talk about our promotion plan with strategy. For this type of products, we could use a pharmaceutical marketing promotion plan based on the below-the-line marketing strategy, where they are not focusing on direct user, instead they target the doctor. Generally, the company like us could use the following resources and tools as our marketing strategy. One of the examples would be product sample, scientific data, products related giveaway, and CMEs or RTD. As we explained in the beginning, our main target will be a Chinese government, so we can focusing on that first. Next, we are going to explain about our pricing strategy. For our products, we could use our market penetration, where pricing setting a low price for the new products in order to attract a large number of buyers and large market share. Since we can assume that there are a lot of potential customers and people needing the medicine, instead of using a market skimming strategy, where setting a price for the high at the beginning, we can first sell with a cheap price and getting more customer share.
After much consideration and debate with our executives, we have put together this budget for our first year of activity. Thankfully, our product development stage was subsidized by the U.S. government because of our dedication to the fight against the virus. Our total budget is $1 million, and we plan on spending the most of that on research and development, as we need to be constantly reevaluating our formula and testing against new strains of the virus as they emerge. We are allocating $425,000, or 43% of our budget, to cover the expenses that we anticipate arising from R&D. Marketing, along with materials and production, will take up 40% of our overall budget, coming in at $200,000 each. Our main marketing target is social media through platforms like WeChat, Weibo, and QQ. Our overhead costs will include everything from labor to utilities to miscellaneous expenses. We have budgeted for these costs to be about 10% of our budget, coming in at $100,000. Lastly, we anticipate our legal expenses to cost us $75,000. This will allocate funds to cover our necessary trademarks and patents, as well as the necessary lawyers and legal advisors that we will require. This budget will also be used to negotiate with the Chinese government to create a partnership to better serve the community. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and please vote as you deem fit. And remember to stay safe out there.